Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning skin retouch in Adobe Photoshop. And here is an image from our exercise file, and you can take a look. This lady have some bad spot of acne in her skin, and we are going to fix it up. You can take a look. Here is a spot, here is another, and here is some more spots in her skin, and we are going to fix it using spot healing brush tool. So let me turn on the layer 1, and you can take a look. All the bad spots are removed from her skin. Spots back, spots gone, back, gone. Okay, so right now we will learn how to remove bad spot from skin using spot healing brush tool. So let's take a look on the entire process. So we have to open our exercise file. So here is the file menu, and here is the open option. Inside the exercise file, you will get this skin retouch image. You just have to select it, and then you have to click open. Okay, this is our image, and you can take a look. This lady have some bad acne spot on her skin, and we will remove it. But before that, we want to duplicate the background layer. So it's quite simple. You just have to right click with your mouse, and then you will get this duplicate layer option, and let me write retouch, and let me click OK. Or you can use keyboard shortcut Control or Command J from the keyboard, and this keyboard shortcut is using for duplicating the layer. Okay, so please make sure the retouch layer is selected, and now we have to use the spot healing brush tool. So here is the spot healing brush tool, so you just have to use it. And let me explain with the settings for spot healing brush tool. You will get different type of mode, but we will use the normal mode. You don't have to use the replace, multiply, screen, or darken, lighten mode. You just have to select the normal mode. And for the type, we will go for content aware type. We will not use the create texture type. We will use the content aware type. And you can take a look. We got the brush for spot healing, and if you want to increase the size of brush, here is the option. So you can increase the size of brush from here, and here is the hardness. It seems 100% hardness we have, but I don't want to use the 100%. Okay, 41% is good. And let me zoom in the image. To zoom in, you just have to click the view menu, and from there you can go for zoom in option, or you can press Control or Command plus button from your keyboard. Okay, so let's start with this spot. You just have to place the spot inside the circle, and let's have a mouse click. Magic, it's gone. And let me work with this one. It's gone. Okay, so here is two spots are available, so let me remove this one. It's removed, as well as this one also. Okay, we have the perfect skin right now. And if you want to compare between before and after, so therefore you just have to turn off the retouch layer. Let me turn off the retouch layer. Here all the spots are back, and after applying the spot healing brush tool, let me turn on the retouch layer. All the spots gone. Spot back, spots gone, spots back, spots gone. Okay, so this is how you will remove the spot from the skin. And if you want to learn retouching image professionally in Adobe Photoshop, then you can enroll my other courses. I have 2 more courses about Adobe Photoshop, and one is for professional Photoshop, and another one is for essential Photoshop. So if you want to learn professionally for image retouching, so you can enroll my professional course, and therefore you just have to take a look on my profile. Okay, so see you in next lesson.